Canada Pension Plan Eligibility. Do you qualify for CPP retirement pension? The Canada Pension Plan CPP retirement pension is a monthly taxable benefit that serves to replace part of a contributing pensioner's income when they meet the qualifying criteria and request commencement of CPP retirement pension payments. If a contributing pensioner qualifies, they will receive monthly CPP retirement pension payments for the rest of their life, with their payment being based on 1. Their earnings during their work years, 2. The amount they contributed to CPP, 3. How many years they contributed, and 4. The age at which they start receiving CPP retirement pension payments. To qualify for a Canadian Pension Plan retirement pension, the applicant pensioner must 1. Be at least 60 years old, and 2. Have made at least one valid contribution to CPP. Valid contributions can be either from work the pensioner did in Canada or as a result of receiving credits from a former spouse or former common law partner at the end of the relationship. A qualified pensioner can still work if they are receiving a CPP retirement pension without reducing the pension amount. In fact, a qualified pensioner could increase their CPP entitlement by means of the CPP post-retirement benefit. If a qualified pensioner works while receiving that CPP retirement pension and are under age 70, they can still make CPP contributions. Each year that a qualified pensioner contributes to the Canada Pension Plan will result in a post-retirement benefit and increase their CPP retirement income. The Canadian federal government will automatically pay this additional benefit to the qualified pensioner in the following year, and they will receive it for the rest of their life. A qualified pensioner can choose to stop their post-retirement contributions when they reach age 65. A qualified pensioner's CPP contributions will stop when they reach 70 years of age, even if they are still working. To begin receiving a CPP retirement pension, a qualified pensioner must apply through their My Service Canada account, as initiating CPP retirement benefit payments is not automatic. Furthermore, the determination as to when a qualified pensioner starts receiving CPP retirement pension payments is a question of substantial importance, given that the financial implications of starting early at age 60, as opposed to the standardized start date of age 65, or the furthest deferral at age 70, or sometime between any of these dates, can be considerable. The Canadian Pension Plan and the Quebec Pension Plan have sharing agreements with each other and offer similar benefits at retirement. The benefit amount the qualified pensioner will be paid will take into consideration all contributions made to both CPP and QPP. However, a qualified pensioner does not have to apply to both plans. If a qualified pensioner has contributed to both CPP and QPP, they would apply to receive QPP if they are living in Quebec at the time of their application, and to CPP if they are living anywhere else in Canada. If they are living outside Canada, they would apply for CPP or QPP according to the last province in which they lived. If a qualified pensioner lived and worked in Canada and in another country, they may qualify to receive both a CPP or QPP retirement pension and a pension from the other country, with Canada having numerous international Social Security agreements to better facilitate one's receipt of multiple retirement pension payments. When you are looking at the Canada Pension Plan, it also means that you are invariably looking at other aspects of income and retirement planning. And as our own legal work has demonstrated, there are very particularized legal aspects that are all too often overlooked at the end of one's career and not considered as part of one's income and retirement planning. At Neufeld Legal, we offer distinctive legal strategies for individuals at the end of their career and engaging in income and retirement planning to secure their financial future. For more information, contact our law firm for a confidential consultation. Thank you.